This is my friend's cat. He will fetch this paper and bring it back to me. Ready? Bring it here. Bring it here. Come here.
He's camera shy.
I know, right?
Look at him behind his
Okay, he's a little shy. Bring it here. Bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Bring it to me. Come here. No. Goddamn cat. Bring it here. Come here. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get the ball. I'm going to get the ball.
Watch, let me show you how to kill him.
Ready? Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. And that is how a cat fetches a ball.
Straight D.